What is this? What did you do, kitty? Did you cut open the bag? And now Lola, you're eating all the food out of it? Oh my goodness. Look at this. What did you do? Gloves. Hey, what'd you do? You're caught in the act. Lola, what are you doing? Hey, hey, sit down. Lola. Like, no way, this is yummy food. What a friggin' stinker.